Welcome to the Finance Homefront with Bev. And today, I'm going to reveal the secrets of how to kickstart your own Amazon FBA business, make money online fast, and turn your financial dreams into a reality. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to follow. But first, let's satisfy your curiosity and get started. By following these 9 simple steps, you can achieve your goal by earning $5,000 to $10,000 per month with Amazon FBA. So, let's dive into the world of Amazon FBA. Step 1. Understanding Amazon FBA. When I started my Amazon FBA journey, my primary goal was to create financial freedom for myself without dealing with shipping, handling, or customer service. I wanted to make passive income and help my family with their bills, all while minimizing risks. Amazon FBA was the ideal choice for beginners like me, as Amazon takes care of shipping, handling, and customer service. Your primary task is to test products with low-risk quantities. You buy products in bulk, often from China or India, and send them to Amazon, where they handle the rest. Let's dive deeper into the world of Amazon FBA and why it's such an attractive option for newcomers in the online business world. Amazon FBA stands for Fulfillment by Amazon. It's a business model where Amazon takes care of the logistics and customer service for your products. This means you don't have to worry about packing and shipping orders, handling returns, or managing customer inquiries. Amazon does it all for you, leaving you with more time to focus on growing your business. Step 2. Effective product research. To succeed in Amazon FBA, the most crucial step is selecting the right product and conducting effective product research. You need to minimize your risks by entering a market with low competition and barriers to entry. How do you perform product research? It's simple. Start by deciding what you want to sell, analyze your potential competitors, and assess market competitiveness. Avoid getting into highly competitive niches, as it can be challenging for newcomers. To make this process easier, you can utilize various strategies. Step 3. Analyzing competitors. One of the most common and straightforward approaches to identifying potential products is by analyzing your competitors. Search for products that are similar to what you want to sell, and take a close look at their customer reviews. The number and quality of reviews can provide valuable insights into the competition and market demand. Products with thousands of reviews may indicate a highly competitive market, and breaking into such a niche can be challenging for newcomers. On the other hand, if you find products with only a few reviews but still generate significant sales, it could be a golden opportunity to enter a less competitive market. Step 3A. Amazon bestsellers and eBay trends. Another effective strategy for product research is to explore Amazon's bestsellers. These are products that are already performing exceptionally well on the platform. By examining the best sellers, you gain insights into what customers are currently buying. However, keep in mind that highly competitive niches might have the most best sellers, and entering such niches could be challenging. Additionally, consider looking beyond Amazon itself. Platforms like eBay often feature trending products. If a product is doing well on eBay, it could indicate a potential opportunity on Amazon, especially if the Amazon marketplace hasn't yet been saturated with similar products. Step 3B. Amazon movers and shakers. Amazon's movers and shakers is another valuable resource for product research. This section of Amazon showcases products that have experienced rapid growth in sales and popularity over a short period. These products are usually less established and may not have many reviews, making them ideal for newcomers. By identifying items in the movers and shakers section, you can spot trends and opportunities to get in early on products that are gaining traction. Step 3C. Pinterest and AliExpress. Beyond Amazon itself, there are external platforms you can leverage for product research. Pinterest, for instance, can be a goldmine of trending product ideas. When people start pinning and sharing specific products on Pinterest, it can be an indicator of consumer interest. Keep an eye on products that are gaining attention on this visual discovery platform. Another useful resource is AliExpress, a popular online marketplace that caters to drop shippers. It's a great place to identify products with high demand, as you can see the number of orders for each product. If you find products that are in high demand on AliExpress but not yet available on Amazon, it presents an opportunity to introduce these products to a broader audience on Amazon's platform. Step 4. Sourcing and testing products. Once you've identified potential products, it's time to move to the sourcing and testing phase. This is where you'll take practical steps to ensure the quality and viability of the products you plan to sell on Amazon. Sourcing products typically involves finding a reliable supplier or manufacturer. Many Amazon sellers source their products from countries like China or India, where manufacturing costs are often lower. It's essential to establish a good working relationship with your supplier and negotiate favorable terms. When sourcing products, especially if you're just starting, it's wise to begin with small quantities. Ordering samples or a limited quantity allows you to assess the quality of the products without making a substantial financial commitment. This approach helps you minimize risks and ensures you're satisfied with the products you intend to sell. Step 5. Product photography. High-quality product images play a pivotal role in your Amazon listing success. As an Amazon seller, your product images are your virtual storefront, and they can significantly impact a potential customer's decision to buy. You want to make a positive and lasting impression, and this starts with professional-looking product photos. Now, you might be wondering how to get those high-quality images without a massive budget. The good news is that you don't need an expensive camera or professional photography skills to create impressive product images. Your smartphone can be a valuable tool in this regard. When capturing product images, ensure that you use a clean, white background. You want your products to be the main focus, and a white background helps eliminate distractions. Soft, natural lighting can also make a significant difference in the quality of your photos. Step 6. Optimizing your listing. Optimizing your Amazon listing for relevant keywords is essential for visibility. Identify keywords that potential customers are searching for and incorporate them into your product listing's title, description, and backend keywords. This will help your product rank higher in Amazon search results. Step 7. Building reviews. Building a base of 20 to 30 reviews is crucial to establish trust and credibility for your Amazon product. Ask friends and family for support, encouraging them to leave honest reviews. It's an essential step in gaining the confidence of potential customers. Step 8. Driving traffic with YouTube and Pinterest. To increase visibility and sales, create YouTube videos that drive traffic to your Amazon listing. Use SEO-optimized titles and descriptions to reach your target audience. Additionally, consider using Pinterest to create pins that link to your Amazon product. By leveraging these platforms, you can bring more potential customers to your Amazon listing. Step 9. Scaling and maintaining inventory. As your business grows, make sure to maintain your inventory levels. Running out of stock can hurt your rankings and sales. Continuously monitor your inventory and replenish products from your supplier to ensure you never miss a sales opportunity. And there you have it. 9 actionable steps to kickstart your Amazon FBA journey and make money online fast. Remember, Amazon FBA success requires dedication and consistency, so stay committed to your goals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any questions or need further guidance, please feel free to ask in the comments below. Your success is our priority, and we're here to support you on your Amazon FBA journey. Do you have any suggestions of topics you'd like us to cover in future videos? We're here to help you achieve your online business goals, so let us know what you're curious about in the comments. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.